Hi everyone! In this video we will learn the first 10 numbers in Hungarian. Number in Hungarian would be szám. Numbers in plural is számok. The verb to count in Hungarian is számolni. Now let's start, shall we? The first number is egy. Kettő, három, négy, öt, hat, hét, nyolc, kilenc, 10. Now that you learned the numbers, try to count to 10 alone. Very good. Well done. Now let's move on to the next exercise. We will go through the numbers again, but this time in no particular order. Which number is this one? Correct. Öt. Kettő. This one? Három. Very good. It's hat. Egy. 10. Nyolc. Very good. And the final number? Hét. Well done everyone. Now you are able to count to 10 in Hungarian.